Alright, so this is going to be a baseline instruction of Voicemeeter and what it is and how it works. So to start off with, we're working with normal baseline Voicemeeter because there's three different kinds. There's Voicemeeter, banana, and then Voicemeeter potato. So we're working with regular Voicemeeter. This is what it looks like. You have two inputs. You have your virtual input, and then you have your hardware output. So I have a very professional way to describe this to you with Microsoft Paint. Alright, so you have your hardware input, which is basically just like an input on a soundboard. So you have input right here. Let me get it blue. So you got your input. This is where your microphone would go. Plug your microphone into that little doohickey right there. You have your volume control, otherwise known as a fader. It's an attenuation of sound, and that is the same thing right here. Your hardware input is where you plug your mic in, and you have your fader. All right, so how does it go out once we put it in? Where does it come out? All right, so we're going to use green. So you have your output goes to your speakers. Usually it's stereo, so there's usually two goes out, and those faders are right here. All right, so you got your in, and then it goes out to your speakers. Same concept right here. So you have your in, you have your out to your speakers. All right, and you know, there's the fader right there, just like this one. All right, so what's virtual input? Virtual input is basically Windows. That is your Windows system sound. So when you look down here and look at this, that's your Windows volume. As you can see right here, you have your Windows sound. I'm gonna turn that out, let go, it makes the ding noise, and it shows up on my virtual input, which is Windows. I hope that little demonstration helps a little bit, kind of understand Voicemeeter and how to operate it correctly with streaming and Discord chat and all. In my later videos, I'll show a little bit more advanced stuff, so stay tuned.